The Supreme Court today granted interim bail to Ashoka University professor Ali Khan Mahmudabad, who was arrested over a controversial social media post about Operation Sindoor. While giving him relief, the court also strongly criticized the content of his post, calling it dog whistling and questioning his motive. Furthermore, the court also instructed an SIT probe into his post. Professor Mahmudabad, who heads the Department of Political Science at Ashoka University, was taken into custody last week under charges related to promoting enmity and threatening national security. Senior advocate Kapil Sibal appeared on his behalf before a bench of Justices Surya, Kant and Kotiswar Singh. The court said the professor's words shared online shortly after the Pahalgam attack and the follow-up Operation Sindoor were poorly timed. Quote, "Monsters came and attacked our country. Is this the time for such remarks? Why do it for cheap popularity?" Justice Kant said during the hearing. Mr. Sibal argued that there was no criminal intent and that the post had been misunderstood. The professor's wife is reportedly 9 months pregnant, and his arrest has caused significant distress to the family. The court acknowledged the post had an anti-war tone and appeared to question the motives behind military operations. However, Justice Kant said, and I'm quoting, "There is a right to free speech, yes, but where is the sense of duty? For 75 years, we've been talking about rights. What about responsibilities?" Unquote. The bench also took note of second FIR filed by Haryana Women's Commission. The complaint accuses the professor of belittling female officers involved in Operation Sindoor briefings, namely Colonel Sophia Qureshi and Wing Commander Vyomika Singh. Professor Mahmudabad had commented on the optics of women presenting official findings but stressed that visuals must match the reality on ground. He later said the Women's Commission had completely misunderstood his post. While granting bail, the court placed strict conditions. The professor must not post anything online or speak publicly about the case or the Pahalgam attack. He is also required to surrender his passport. To examine the matter further, the Supreme Court has directed the Haryana DGP to set up a special investigation team of 3 IPS officers, all from outside Haryana and Delhi, and it should include 1 woman officer. Ashoka University has welcomed the ruling and said it is relieved by the court's decision to grant interim bail.